Welcome, boys and girls, to tonight's episode of Don't Drink and Tech. So, what do we have today? Well, that's a surprise. So, basically, I went online, I went on eBay, started searching for just, I don't know, anything to fix, anything to work on, anything to learn or better perfect my hot air techniques, and heat up some chips, some ICs or what have yous. And I came across this deal. This was $90, and it was just too good of a deal to pass up. And normally I wouldn't buy it, but I'm not a fan of this. So normally I wouldn't even care to buy this. But $90, I was like, all right, like, you got me. I'll buy it. And then the problem was a serious issue has occurred. So I knew it was software related. So it wasn't going to be anything complicated. So I went ahead and hit the buy now. And about 2 or 3 days later, this showed up at the house. That's right. It's a PS4. PS4 Slim to be exact. Yeah, so it says a serious issue has occurred. Blah, blah, blah.
Blah, 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 blah. I hear what you say. Hibbity hoopla.
So, like I said, that's a software issue. That's not a hardware issue. So, anybody that takes 2 minutes of their day and looks it up will be able to solve this problem, like, on their own, with no skill of repairing anything. So, I had to just go ahead and buy it. Plus, I had to show my son I had a PS4 and make him all jealous. So, plugged it in. I saw that little quick update, and I got excited. I was like, "Wait, is this thing gonna just work? Has it not been plugged in for months, and then all of a sudden it works again?" But sadly, no. A serious error has occurred in the system software. The PS4 will restart. So whatever. I was prepared for this. What I wasn't prepared for was I plugged in the PS4 controller, hit the button, and it didn't work. And no matter what I did, it wouldn't work. And I was like, what the hell's going on? I ended up going to the store, spending $70 on a new controller. Coming home, that one didn't work. And because my dumb was just using a different USB cable, one that only did power and not data. And the software is right there. You go to PlayStation website, you'll see it. The first option is the one that keeps everything on the drive. I did the second option because I really don't care what whoever it is had on there, what games they had or whatever info. So I chose the second option for the download, loaded it up. I chose option number 7, which is to completely initialize the drive, which wipes out the entire hard drive and then reinstalls the operating system on, fully updated to the newest version, which is 9.04 at this current time, at this current date. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, I sped up the footage. Here it is, initializing. So there it goes, wiping it. Here goes the update. If the guy that sold me this is watching this right now, he's gonna be like,
emotional damage.
gonna be totally pissed. He's gonna be like, wait a minute, that's all I had to do, and this thing would work. But hey, you know what? You got $90 out of it. So I got a PlayStation. You got $90. It's a win-win for both of us, I guess. Use that $100 towards a PS5 that'll break, and then I'll buy that one. But I'm horrible. But yeah, so system updates. And that's pretty much it. I mean, if you want to learn how to do the updates, you could just, like I said, Google it. There's plenty of write-ups on it. There's plenty of forums on it. There's plenty of YouTube videos on it. And then, bam, there she is, brand new. I put in an account, ran it, played it, downloaded games, played videos, connected it to my server, watched movies. It's running perfectly fine. So if I could find New York, which I was close to begin with, I'll click that. And then, yeah, I'll get out of here. Thanks for watching the video, and maybe I'll catch you on the next one.